Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby. In a continuation of the series, how to start a peace lily collection and how to care for it once you bring it home, I decided to do a peace lily checkup update of my two newest peace lilies. Both was given to me for Valentine's from my husband, so I want to show you what's going on with them. So just follow along with me as I do a maintenance care of my two peace lilies. So let's go. Okay guys, here is the peace lily that was bought for me on the 13th of February. It's the day before Valentine's. My husband gave me that one. And then the second one I'm going to show you is the one that he had delivered to me on Valentine's Day. And what I want to show you is how the peace lily is now functioning and how it's doing. And there is a yellow leaf right there on it, which is not that bad. And I've been studying it and trying to figure out why the plant is getting yellow leaves. And I'm going to tell you in a little while what's the issue with that. So don't worry too much about the yellow leaves, as I told you in another video. It's going to be all right. But everything else on the plant is looking good and healthy. See, that yellow leaf is going to have to be cut off. And I'm going to cut it off in a little while, but I want to talk to you about this. As long as you have new growth, and you have lots of new growth on this plant right here, this peace lily is going to be doing fine, because as that one there dies off, there are others that is coming on. And it looks like there's about 3 or 4 new leaves coming on. And look there. The blooms are doing good. Normally, my blooms would have been already died off. And there is a new bloom right there on this plant. And there's a new one down in there. That lets you know that this plant is still healthy and it is doing fine. I'm just going to go around let you see it. Okay, the leaves needs to be cleaned again. It's been a couple days since I cleaned the leaves. And I want to show you what's going on with the yellow leaves. You see that pot right there? See it? It is very deep. And because it's deep, the peace lily is not getting a lot of light down there. So what I need to do, and probably my husband's going to do it for me, because he's the one that does this type of stuff for me. I just ask him to do it. I'm probably going to have to take it out of this little white pot that is in and sit it down on the floor and let the light shine downward, so this plant, even on the bottom part close to the soil, can get the proper amount of light. And I think that's why this yellow leaves is here. And once we saw that, you probably won't get as many yellow leaves. Although it's only one. I think I had 2 more that I pruned, that I cut off on another video. But it's doing well, and I want to do an update on it. So just follow me, and I'm going to do the update on the second one, and we're going to be finishing up the series on how to start a peace lily collection and how to take care of it once you get home. But before I do that, I want to take you and show you the water that I'm using to water this. So just come along with me. I'm going to go into my kitchen, so just come along with me. All right. Right, it's sort of dark in here, so I'm going to see, can I let you see it? Hold on. I'm going to push this over here, and I'm going to show you right here. See right there? The water is still there, and I have the bottled water ready too. So this right here is what I use to water my peace lily, and this is what you can do. And the first time I brought it home, I gave it 1 bottle. Now I'm giving it 1 bottle or possibly 2 bottles, my peace lily. And what I do, I check to see whether the soil is real dry or not. Okay, I just want to show you that I'm using it. I take this right here was off for about 48 hours. I just kept it uncovered, okay? About 48 hours, so that the fluoride and the chlorine in the water wouldn't be there anymore. Okay, guys, just keep on following me, and we're going to go up my stairs into one of the bedrooms and look at the other peace lily. So just come along with me. Okay, here's the other one. This is the one here that was bought for me, that was delivered to me. This came from a florist. Delivered to me on Valentine's Day. It is doing very well. Came from a florist. That's a new leaf. There's a new bloom in there. Can you see it? There it is right there. The new bloom. It is growing. It is doing awesome. Doing well. Okay, this is what it looks like since February the 14th, since it reached my home. Doing good. This is why I like the plants that comes from the florists. They're always the healthiest plants. And this is why I always suggest to you guys, if you, only for the peace lilies now, if you want to keep a peace lily looking good for years to come, one of the best places to buy it from is a florist. Okay, guys. You see it? Okay, guys, that's it. And I thank you for coming along with me on this checkup of the plants. And I am very proud and excited about the peace lilies. Okay, guys, that's it. So I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, share this video, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video, because you do not want to miss them, because you're going to learn how to take care of those beautiful houseplants that you are about to buy. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Remember that God is good all the time. Bye.